In 2018, astronomers saw something that should be impossible. A black hole just threw up the brightness of 10 trillion suns. Let me say that again. 10 trillion suns. At the center of every galaxy, there's a supermassive black hole. Some are chill. Others, they're aggressively eating everything around them. When black holes eat, the dust and gas gets hotter and hotter, spinning into a disk. These disks become the brightest constant sources of radiation in the entire universe. But sometimes, when a black hole eats something really big, it essentially burps out intense radiation. This 2018 flare? It was 30 times brighter than the biggest flare we'd ever seen before. Not even close. What caused it? Astronomers think an absolutely giant star got ripped apart and fed into the black hole's disk. Here's the wildest part. We're still watching it happen. That black hole is still eating that star. Well, kind of. This black hole is 10 billion light-years away, so this actually happened 10 billion years ago. We're just now seeing the light. And it proves massive stars can survive crazy close to black holes. Space is wild.